Hi guys, let me introduce Krishna Murendra, who got 20th rank this year, and he is the top best ranker from our organization. He is our course user. And the thing here is, last year also he got 472 rank. Last year also he was an achiever, and this year he was able to convert that 472 into 20. So our main discussion with Krishna Mirendra will be how he is able to improve his rank, and of course by using our course. He will share his journey, and such that it will be useful for students who are aspiring to improve their ranks. That is our main focus. And he will tell about how he was able to manage, because he is doing masters in IIT Madras microelectronics, and how he was able to manage MTech side by side with GATE preparation, and how he was able to manage that pressure, GATE pressure, and all. Let us know. Hi Krishna Mirendra.
Hi sir.
Adi, congratulations.
Thanks, Ilan. Thank you, sir.
You did a splendid job. Splendid, wonderful job.
Thank you, sir.
Then, can you say just one sentence about our course?
Yes, sir. After GATE examination, I joined your courses as I have met to you at Medis in 2019. Then I decided that the Kian Rao sir is the best faculty for some subjects like machines or any core subjects like machines, power systems, power electronics. So I decided to go for your course, and after 19 I joined your course. Your course is very with high quality and price affordable also. And the best part which I consider from you is you actually make the subject very simple. Means the course is actually unified with a single point, so it connects each and every concept. So you don't have to learn the things. Means you will still be able to understand how things are connected to each other. So that's why that the course is best, I think.
Thank you so much, Krishna Mirendra. And guys, he is from IIT Lucknow, and his super senior also was my student who got 22nd, right? Gaurav Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav Mishra's junior, and at that time Gaurav Mishra got 22, and now he got 20. So
yes,
it would be definitely like a motivating factor for IIT guys, frankly, right?
Yes, sir.
IIT guys, because you are a motivating factor all over India now, because you made it.
Yes.
Really.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, dear. And the next thing is, our focus is how you are able to improve your rank, because you had to deal with MTech also in IIT Madras.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
During maybe January you would have exams, right? In first semester exams in IIT Madras.
No, sir. It started from mid-December only.
Okay. So during December, mostly you might not have time to prepare, right?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Yeah. How you managed? By what time you completed syllabus?
Sir, sir, as by the previous year GATE rank, I have completed all the means planning and all what I can do. But after joining your courses, the main motto of mine was to revise the subjects with a very well manner. So this time I focused more on revising the subjects time and again and giving the test series. So in the last moment, sir, I focused on those parts only. And sir, for the rank improvement, what I did is actually I have my mistake copy which I made this year. This was not the concept in last year. So whatever the mistakes which I used to do in the subject test or part test, I used to write those mistakes. And in the next test, when I have used to go for those subjects, suppose if I consider machines, then I used to refer the mistakes which I have done earlier. And after that only I used to give tests. So each and every time I observed that my mistake was going to rectified. And at the end of the mock test, means before 7 days of the actual examination, my performance was very good, as I can say. So the main part was just to focus on those questions which I am not able to solve. Instead of solving those questions which I am continuously able to solve, focusing those concepts which are very good for me, and focusing on the means some mistakes which I am continuously committing. So these were the main areas which I improved for improving my rank from 472 to 20.
Okay. Can I say that maybe from 2019 you started, what do you say, taking your mistakes into consideration?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
From 19, after I cleared after the GATE examination of 19, I observed the mistakes which I was coming, means whatever the faults which I have committed, because of which I got 472 rank. So I find out those mistakes and I write down those mistakes which can be the reason for 472 rank. After that, when I took coaching or learned the concepts from your courses, and then I rectified those mistakes. I started work on those mistakes. So at the end of the year, I was much able to rectify those mistakes.
So guys, he maintained one database of his mistakes, and he was continuously revising those mistakes such that he wouldn't commit those mistakes in upcoming exam. That was his strategy for rank improvement. Right?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir,
how
one
you
more thing
yeah,
which
tell me.
Sir, one more thing which I followed is, sir, actually what happened in last year, I used to focus much on test series, means I used to give a lot of test series. So it should be the case, but it should not be that much that your mind become it become tedious for you. So this year I given the test series, but in a frank manner, means not that much pressurized way. So the main focus was not to give a lot of test series, but revising the committing mistakes which I am committing. So students should not focus on giving a lot of test series, just whatever the things you have, just focus on those things that where you are committing mistake. Revising the test series a lot of times, means, sir, I can say that before 7 days of my GATE examination, I given no test, I didn't give any test. I just revised that questions which I have committed mistakes, book mark question of my previous year questions and all the material which I have read for a complete 1 year. So this was my strategy to revise more and more in the last moments of the GATE examination.
Okay. Guys, yes, because last year he cleared GATE with 472 rank. Obviously, he might not go ahead with online test series much, but somehow online test series, at least subject level tests and mock level tests, I do recommend. Because
Yes,
yeah, last
of
year you
course.
committed mistakes and you got the database and you revised all those. But for new guys, OTS is very important, right? They should know where they
Yes,
are
sir.
committing mistakes and all, right?
Yes, sir, of course.
Yeah, and
Okay, sir.
yeah, by what time, like kind of during December when you were having examinations in IIT Madras,
Yes, sir.
completely you left GATE preparation during those days?
No, sir, I used to allot the time, means my semester used to be from 9 to 12. So 1 day before the semester examination, there is a gap. Actually, there used to be a gap between the examination. So 1 day before each and every examination, I used to prepare for MTech. And besides those time, I used to prepare for GATE examinations. So there, I maintain a balance between those things.
Okay. So just
Yes, sir.
1 day before or 2 days before, you used to start preparing for MTech, and remaining time you
Yes,
used
sir.
to start preparing for only this only, GATE only.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, the whole time I used to attend the classes of MTech, so I was little bit means used to with the concepts. I have the concept, so it was not much difficult for me to grasp all the concepts. So it was a little bit easier for me to focus on GATE examination as well as MTech
Yeah,
simultaneously.
that's great. And yesterday when we were talking, you shared something about some guys are getting high blood pressure and some kind of stuff. How you
Yes,
manage?
sir.
How
Yes,
you
sir.
manage without getting pressure and all?
Yes, sir. The most important thing which I also consider is the health. Means what happens is I have seen a lot of toppers which got stuck before 3 months or 4 months before examination because of a lot of pressure or not giving much more conscious to their health. So for that, I used to have my daily schedule. Means what I have to do is how much I have, how hours I have to study, how much hour I have to sleep, and means I have to what time I have to take diet and all. So I used to consider all these things also in my routine so that my body clock set according to that and I may perform well in the examination.
Mm. So guys, that is also important. We have to manage the pressure. Obviously, productive
Yes,
pressure will be there before any examination. Productive pressure so will be there, but
yes,
we
sir, of
have to
course.
manage. We have to manage. We have to balance, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, of course.
And next thing is like any inputs for freshers, like whoever are entering into GATE 2022 first time. What are your inputs?
Yes, sir.
First time.
Sir, for those who are
Then we can think of rank improvement. Yeah.
yes, sir. For first time means first they should focus on revising. Means just they should go through the notes and they should point out what are the important points and they should focus on the questions which are at basic level. Means they should solve the questions time and again and the concepts. Means actually in GATE examination some formula based question also comes. So the one thing which they can do is just revise the formulas continuously, so that whatever the questions which are coming totally on formula based, they can solve those questions directly. And besides this, they can also prepare short notes, which I consider is the very important thing for the revising the gate examination at the last moment. And also whatever the study material or are they are doing, means they are following, they should bookmark the questions. What they are feeling is a good question, they should bookmark that, so that they can improve, they can revise those questions. So these are the things they can do, and they should not take a lot of pressure first time. Means just in a very calm manner, whatever the things they can do, they should do in a very bad manner, and just maintaining the very healthy diet at the last moment of the examination, they can get good rank in first attempt also.
Okay. So, and one more
Yes,
thing is, as per your suggestion, first attempt only if we can maintain proper short notes. For the next
yes,
attempt
sir.
also the same short notes has to be like followed. Right?
Yes, sir.
We
This
can
is,
highlight, yeah.
yes, sir, of course. Actually, the short notes which I have prepared last year, that helped me a lot this year, because as you know that I got very less time for the preparation of GATE
Yes.
examination, and
Yes.
my MTOP was also there. So short notes are very mandatory for cracking GATE examination.
True. So guys, make
Yes,
short
sir.
notes at starting only, in the first year preparation only, such that it will become a Bible for your life, or Gita for
Yes, sir,
your
of
life,
course.
whatever it may be. Okay. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
great. Last 1 week, what you have done? Last 1 week of your preparation, because that was very crucial time.
Yes, sir, of course. Sir, last 1 week, as I remember, is I used to give one mock test only, a full and test for up to 3-4 days only, and I left the mock test before 3 days of examination. And and the remaining time, I used to revise the concepts which I used to feel good, and the mistakes which I committed earlier, and I used to solve bookmarked question which I have marked in the test series. So I
Either
remember
book,
that 2 to 3 times
either
bookmarked question.
bookmark, or
Yes,
we
sir.
can take screenshot of it, whatever it may be.
A
Some
screenshot, yes,
database,
sir, of course.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mhm.
So I remember that I revised those questions 2-3 times before the GATE examination. So I was very much confident at the GATE examination that whatever the questions can come, I will be able to solve those questions, because as now I have covered all each and every possible areas of GATE examination. So it gives a very much boost in your confidence by revising the good questions in your last moment of GATE examination.
And in what subjects you feel you are weak?
Sir, I feel some subjects like some my electronic subject like microprocessors. I used to have some
Microprocessor,
difficulties.
yeah, for this gate
Yes,
it is
it
not
was
there.
not it was
Yeah.
not there, yes, sir. But yes, sir. And beside this, electromagnetism also, I feel difficulty, and somewhat little bit complex question of digital electronics,
Mhm.
and some difficult questions of control system also. I used to feel some difficulty.
Okay.
Besides this, all are really little bit good. Signal system also, sir. Yes, sir. I forgot
Mhm.
signals and system. I used to feel difficulty.
Okay. Because with
Yes, sir.
signals and systems and analog electronics and all, we feel we are not belonging to it, because we feel that it is electronics guys stuff. So our mind will not be connected to that at starting.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
because of that, all electrical engineers feel that difficulty, frankly. And did you leave
Yes, sir.
any topics of any subject for the preparation?
No, sir, I didn't leave. And I also suggest to each and every student that try not to leave any topic, because even though people say if you don't have time, then you should go for it. But as from now we consider that it is completely 1 year you have, so you
Yes.
try to focus on each and every subject, whatever the content you can cover, because the GATE examination also is going to be some unpredictable way. So
Mhm.
a question can come from any area, so you should be prepared for that. So just have a thorough knowledge of each and every topic.
Okay. So, guys, as per
Yes,
him,
sir.
you should be able to complete syllabus. I repeat, we have to
Yes,
complete syllabus. Meaning that electromagnetic theory, even though you don't like electromagnetic theory, it has to be prepared. Even though you
yes,
don't
sir.
like analog electronics, it has to be prepared. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, maybe what are your stronger areas? Which subjects you feel
So
you're
my
strong?
sir, I feel the core subjects, I feel, as I have learned from you also. So I have a little bit confidence.
Thank you.
Yes, sir,
Thank you.
because the way you teach the concepts means you actually connect each and every point with a single point. So you don't have to learn the concepts, means itself you will be able to feel the machines, as you used to say that I will be able to feel you the machines. And so that was the key concepts. And also So that is the main means I have little bit confident in core subjects. So people actually used to think that when I will complete the syllabus, then I will start. So they don't get time for the giving test series. So in the month of April or May only, they should start giving test, means part test and subject test.
Yes.
So they have much more time for the mock test, and that is the main thing. Mock test is the main thing. So you should have 2 to 3 months time for analyzing those tests which are important. So you should not think like in this manner that when I will complete the subject, then I will start. Just whatever the concept means, in machines you have computer transformers, just give part test of transformer, then induction, then give the part test of induction. In this manner you have to go further.
That's great. Thank you so much. And once again, hearty congratulations. You made me happy. You made me proud.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. And congratulations to you, sir, also.
Thank you. Thank you. And one day you will come to Hyderabad, Virendra. I will let you know.
Yes, sir.
We are going to have a toppers meeting here in Hyderabad. Maybe around 10 members will come to Hyderabad. We'll have a class one day.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, dear.